what is in my eye? Did they put all the free stuff on top? Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. Oh. Hello beautiful people, it is your girl Albie here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an unboxing and I am super excited to be sharing this with you guys. Got the box here right in front of me and it is going to be a Grout collaborative unboxing. This is not a sponsored video of any sort. This is something that I actually purchased with my own coinage and it is something that I have been putting off doing for a while, which is why I am actually so excited to be doing it. So I was actually watching my girl Eclectic Kristen and she recently got her Grout collaborative package, and while she was kind of talking through it, and this isn't to say she's the first Grout collaborative unboxing I've watched. What is in my eye? She's not the first or anything like that, but I don't know, like I really enjoy her videos and stuff. So anyway, watching her talk through really made me go, you know what, it's about time that I stop putting this off, especially since a lot of the brands they carry are brands that I use in my own home. So anyway, enough yapping. I placed my order, I want to say maybe 3 days ago, if that, and the stuff is here. So like legit, I placed the order 3 days like prior to recording this, and then I got the package today, and so I decided let me sit down and record it. And so yeah, if you guys want to check out what I got in my Grout collaborative box and you want to hear what I think about it, you're gonna want to hang out for the rest of this video. But be sure to subscribe first, because you know you don't want to forget while you're watching and then it slips your mind and then we never see each other again. Go ahead, subscribe now, and then let's jump into this unboxing. Okay, like I said, I placed this order like a few days ago. Oh, 2 days ago to be exact. And I have, according to this packing slip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items in here. So let's just jump right into it. So some of the items, if you're not familiar with Grout collaborative, let's rewind and get into what exactly it all is. Grout collaborative is a sort of subscription box service where you go in and you can choose from an assortment of items. So yeah, it's kind of in that realm of lifestyle, beauty, care, households, and you go in and you select your items and you select the schedule that you would like to have them shipped out to you, and it is a subscription box in the way that it is recurring. When you are a new customer, your first order also comes with some free items. So this box is going to include the stuff that I paid for, as well as a bunch of other free stuff. So that is Grout collaborative. That is what is in this box. As I pull things out, I'll let you know what I paid for and what came as part of their new customer bundle. Before I move forward, as I said, it is a subscription, but you can cancel, pause, and do all that jazz at any given time. So it's not something that like you're under contract or anything like that. So wanted to make that clear. So the first thing that's coming out is this walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. It is a 2-pack. It says it is made from renewable plant materials. I'm a tough scrubber with a soft touch. So this was part of the free items that I received. I plan on using this to most likely clean in my bathroom, like the sink, the counters, that general area. Let me just open that. In Kristen's video, she actually said the sponges had like a weird smell. Oh, okay, I see. I see what she was saying. Okay, I mean, I'm cleaning the bathroom with them, so it's fine. Ooh, okay, so this feels nice. The white part feels really like soft and like almost pre-damped, but it's not wet. And then you have the rough walnut part. So yeah. Next we have this stoneware tray. This was also part of the freebies. Let's open this girl up. It is their brand. It is dishwasher safe, sink side style with a clean, simple design. This tray is perfect for keeping your sink stylish and organized. Use it for your favorite soaps and lotions in the kitchen or bath. Now, I don't know if I would probably use it in that way because I like to keep my kitchen counters very clear, especially since there's not many of them. I don't necessarily like to keep a ton of stuff on them in addition to the stuff that is already there, but I already have a tray on the bathroom counter, but I could definitely, I don't know, keep you guys posted. I do keep a tray at on one of my kitchen counters, and it's a serving tray, so I might just swap it out for this one and go back to using that one what it was intended for. But you see, it is a simple white tray. It says Grove Collaborative at the top. Cute, functional. Like I said, I'll probably just be swapping out the one that's there for this one. Next up, also a Grove Collaborative brand, and this was also one of the free items. It is their 16-ounce spray bottle with silicone sleeve. Now you did get the option of choosing what color you wanted, and if memory serves, I chose gray because the other two just weren't jamming with me. And a better way to clean. Did you know that most cleaning products are over 95% water? Oh, snap. Fill this beautiful reusable spray bottle with any of our ultra effective cleaning concentrates for reduced waste and serious cleaning power. And then there's just kind of like a how-to. So you put the concentrate, or you can then fill it with water, and then you put the nozzle, then you shake, and then you clean. Okay, let's check this out. I don't know if I'll be doing that because I want to say, so we're not going to open? Okay. I want to say that most of my cleaning products are the Method brand, which Grove Collaborative actually carries, and so I don't know that I have to have that concern. Yeah, okay, definitely did not choose the mint green sleeve because I remember seeing this as an option, but you know, it's all good. Well, it was free. But yeah, this is a nice size bottle. I can also actually just remove the sleeve if I'm really pressed, like if this is really bothering me. Like I said, off the top of my head, I can't see what I would use this for, but I really love this glass bottle. It actually reminds me a lot of the soap dispensers that I have in the kitchen, which are the same dispensers that I have in my bathroom. So I could see this at the very least replacing some plastic spray bottles that I have with that I use for like hair care and stuff like that. But yeah, I can. Cute. And again, it was free. All right, next up we have, I think this was also part of the, did they put all the free stuff on top? I feel like I'm just showing you guys the free stuff. So this is the Mrs. Meyer's hand lotion. You also did get a choice in the scent. I chose the lavender because I feel like you can almost never go wrong with lavender. One, I've used Mrs. Meyer's before. Two, I know you can't go wrong with lavender. So just the hand lotion. I will more than likely be putting this into another dispense bottle. Actually, I may swap this head out for a pump. I'll let you guys know what I decide. But yeah, just basic hand lotion because I do actually need lotion in my kitchen. I wash a lot of dishes. Actually, I just wash my hands a lot. I don't like my hands to feel dirty. I wash my hands a lot. I lotion my hands a lot. I keep lotion just about all over this house, so this will come in handy definitely for the kitchen. This I paid for. It is the Full Circle Grunge Buster Grout and Towel Brush. Tough bristles for grout, soft bristles for tile, iron shape for easy scrubbing, stands up for faster drying. So yes, this is a scrub brush. I chose this for cleaning my tub. Your standard scrub brush, nothing to see here. But I do love the shape of it all. I like the look. It just seemed like, because there is another scrub brush option, but it seemed like this one would just kind of be easy to handle and really like have more control when scrubbing. So I really like this one. I'm excited to clean with this one and see how it performs. I can't imagine this not performing to clean. And next up, we have some Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, and this one is in the mint scent. Nice. I already keep a soap dispenser by my sink, so next time it needs a refill, which might be soon, I'm going to actually just fill it up with this one. I've used their hand soap before, so I expect nothing but good things from this one. Next, okay, something else I paid for. The Method All-Purpose Cleaner. Like I said, I use a lot of Method products in my home already. I have their grapefruit all-purpose cleaner that I'm using right now, but I wanted to actually get this one because this is the antibacterial all-purpose cleaner. At the time that I got the grapefruit scent one, I didn't realize it wasn't antibacterial. And we have a toddler running around. My husband works in a lot of not antibacterial places, so I wanted to just kind of get one of these. And I figured, actually my all-purpose cleaner is almost done, so this was the perfect time to get a new one. So that is that, and this is in the bamboo scent. There was one other option for the antibacterial. It was purple. It wasn't lavender, but it was purple. I don't remember what it was, but I decided to go with the bamboo. I've never tried the bamboo, so let's see. We're not gonna spray it. I don't smell anything. Just gonna, yeah. So we are gonna spray it. Just gonna. Okay, very light, almost scentless. I like a light, fresh, clean smell. Oh, I like this. Okay, this is the one. I like this. Next up is my glass and surface cleaner. Yes, so I currently use the Method glass and surface cleaner. It is the mint one, if I'm not mistaken. It's blue. And I like it. I have nothing bad to say about it, but it's almost finished because we use it almost daily between the tables in the living room, my whiteboards behind me. These are glass whiteboards. It gets a lot of usage, and I know I needed to get a new one, so I decided to get this one. Let's give it a spray. Oh, that's nice. It's kind of clean smelling, like the bamboo, but like with a hint of something sweet. I don't know if Waterfalls smells sweet. I've been to the Niagara Falls. I don't remember it smelling sweet. But I don't know, but it's not like a sweet, like fruity, but it's just like a little. So I like this. This is the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap. This was free. In the mint, so just like the hand soap. So okay, well I just refilled my dish soap, so good. If I refill my hand soap, they won't look identical side by side. Good. So I don't need to refill my dish soap now, so that's good. But yeah, I've used their dish soap. I like their dish soap. I have nothing bad to say about Mrs. Meyer's. If you are not familiar with Mrs. Meyer's products, they are made with plant-derived ingredients, essential oils, aloe vera, glycerin, and made without parabens, something, MEA and DEA, glycol solvents, chlorine, artificial colors. So natural cleaning, just without all the crap, getting it done without all the crap. So I like this one. And the other thing I wanted to point out, the other reason I chose the mint is because apparently they're limited edition scents. So the last thing in here is this Wood for Good daily cleaner. Now I'll be honest, I've been cleaning our wood tables and sideboards and all that jazz with my all-purpose cleaner. I just really never got around to getting a wood specific cleaner, and when I saw that they had the Method one on there, I was like, well, no time like the present. So they had another wood product. I'm trying to remember the difference. I don't right now, but there was a reason I chose. I think the other one was like for like shine and preservation, and this one was just like for daily cleaning, which is what I need. So there's that one. Oh, this is good. Oh, this is good. Okay, so here's what's happening here. Here's why I'm like geeking out over here. Our dining room is like adjacent to the living room, and this is and the kitchen. I meant to say kitchen, but it's adjacent to both actually. But this is giving me like, no one ever wants to smell cleaning products next to a kitchen. So this is kind of like, this is giving me like the smell of like, I don't want to say something fresh baked, but it just like, it makes sense if it's near the kitchen. Like it makes sense if it's near food. Like it's just complimentary in that way. I like it. I am happy with everything I chose. Let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. Yes, so I showed you guys everything. I am super excited with what I got. I am super impressed with how quickly everything got here. I wasn't sure if this was something I was going to try and then cancel, because I mean, give me an option. I like everything I got. Nothing's going to be a surprise to me because I know how all these things perform, with the exception of the brush and the sponge. From what I'm feeling and seeing, I can't imagine anything I got disappointing me. If you guys want to see me use these products, most likely I actually will be using these in my next clean with me. But I am excited. I'm excited to get cleaning with these things. If you enjoyed this unboxing, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see a review, also let me know in the comments. Thank you again for hanging out with me today. It is your girl Albie. As always, I am happy you're here, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.